These vinyl covered cases often came with the 400 and 600 series Singer sewing machines, and perhaps some others. They simply use a spring-loaded clip on either side to attach to the machine. In this video, I'm going to clean and repair this case for my Singer 431G. This case, being vinyl, has survived well considering it's 60 years old, but it needs a good clean and repairing. The latches no longer hold onto the machine, slipping off if you try to lift it. I'm going to start off by removing the hardware. These badges are easily damaged by cleaning products, so I like to take them off. They're normally held on by a nut on the inside. This one is held on by 3 pins that I can't remove, so I'm going to leave this in place. I am, however, going to take the catches off the sides. As always, any bits I take off are stored safely in plastic containers. The catches are held on by 2 screws, and should then just push out. These are in fast, so I resort to using a hammer and a punch to loosen them. They're quite tarnished, so I'll clean them up with a little Autosol metal polish. 2 screws hold the handle in at the top. It's easy to see here that the joints have come apart at each corner, which is probably why the latches don't catch on the machine. I'll glue and clamp these later. Once again, I'm using elbow grease to clean the case, but you could also use sugar soap. Working it into the surface of the vinyl with a nail brush. And paying particular attention to anywhere that there are scuffs. Then wiping the elbow grease off with a damp microfiber cloth. Simply repeat the same steps all around the case. You can clearly see here the difference it's making. And of course, this case also has the mandatory paint splashes, but I'm able to scrape these off carefully with my fingernail. I take particular care on the front not to get any elbow grease on the Singer badge. I know through experience of how this can destroy it. Now it's time to repair the corners. I'm running wood glue into each gap. PVA wood glue is incredibly strong, and the wood is likely to break before the glue bond. Here's where you need an extra pair of hands. I'm using 2 strips of wood to protect the case from the jaws of the clamps. Slowly tightening the clamps until the corner joins are fully closed. Then wiping off any excess wood glue that has squeezed out of the joints with a damp cloth. After 24 hours, I remove the clamps and the corners are solid. Some of the vinyl is loose on the edges, so I use ordinary PVA glue to stick them back down. The vinyl isn't as supple as it once was, so I'll hold it in place with some low-tack masking tape until it has dried. The hardware is polished up well, and putting it back on is just the reverse of taking it off. And I'm happy with the results, but now the moment of truth. Will the catches hold? I love it when a plan comes together. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out of any of my future uploads. Thanks for watching.